everybody, I'm here today with a driving lesson on turning at fast speeds. In this video, I'll be going over the basics of turning right or left while driving at fast speeds. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. I'm going to start off by explaining a few things, then I'll demonstrate myself making a few turns at fast speeds. So first and foremost, it is easier to turn at fast speeds than at slow speeds. Now this is simply because it's easier to control a vehicle when it's actually going fast than when it's going slow. It's just easier to steer. But you actually have to turn the steering wheel a little bit faster than usual, because, you know, if you're driving at a faster speed than usual, you have to turn that wheel at a faster speed than usual. If you're driving at a fast speed and you end up turning the steering wheel at a slow speed, it's just not going to work out in your favor. It's usually going to result in you taking a turn that is far too wide, which is often regarded as understeering. Understeering is basically if you're turning and you don't turn the wheel enough, or you don't turn the wheel fast enough. Okay, very simple and straightforward. So you also have to look further down the road, and that's because you're traveling at a faster speed. So if there's a hazard or anything on the road, well, then you're going to have to look further in order to see it on time. If you look closer down the road, you don't look as far, or if you look as far as if you were turning slowly, then what's going to end up happening is the hazard is going to approach you faster than you can see it, and that can cause an accident. And you also have to have good control of the vehicle. And the last thing before I demonstrate, the last thing that I will say is that you're going to have to brake harder if something pops out. So let's say you make the turn at a fast speed and something happens. There's a hazard, an animal runs onto the road, pedestrian, is walking on the sidewalk and falls over or whatever, runs onto the road too, car pops out of somewhere, whatever the case is. All of a sudden you spot a massive pothole. Whatever the case is, you're gonna have to do things. You're gonna have to brake harder. You're gonna have to react appropriately. So right now I'm gonna make this turn at a relatively fast speed. Now, obviously, when you're taking a turn at a fast speed, we're not talking about having a stop sign. So taking this turn at a relatively fast speed, hopefully nothing flies around. So as you can see, I did all of my checks and I looked further down the road and I steered the car, fast with the wheel, with regards to the wheel. Wow. Okay, I came onto this street because usually there's no cars on this street, but there's something happening over here. It's packed with cars. There's tons of cars. And they're doing some sort of road work here, and it's all closed off. So I guess that plan was a little bit spoiled, but it's okay. I don't want to hit this car. This is a nice solid Beamer behind me with a nice paint job, custom paint job. I definitely don't want to hit that. I don't want to hit any car, but I definitely don't want to hit that one. So we're going to continue. I know another street just down the street that I can take a turn at a fast speed. There's no stop sign. And I'm not talking about fast speeds as in like speeds over the speed limit, like illegally fast speeds. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm not telling you go treat the roads like a racetrack, okay? What I am telling you, however, is to ensure that you are doing that. So here's another turn right here, doing all of my checks, turning the wheel fast, having good control over the wheel, and I'm looking far down the road, okay? Now, the key factor is that basically just everything has to be faster and further. That's the key idea here, okay? Your wheel turn has to be faster. Your brakes have to be faster. Like, you have to be faster to react, okay? Whether you're braking or swerving or whatever the case is, your obstacle avoidance has to be faster, okay? Your steering control has to be better, okay? Because, it's easier to control it, but you have to be good with the wheel. You have to be good with the wheel, or you will definitely understeer and go into the oncoming lane of traffic. So we're gonna do one more turn, one more demonstration, then I'll say one last thing, okay? So we're gonna approach this turn a little bit faster than the other ones, doing all of my safety checks, turning that wheel fast, and I'm looking way far down the road. And there's just a loop around over here. We're gonna take this turn relatively fast too, just like this. Looking far down the road, just like that, okay? Now, the last thing that I will say is that practice makes perfect. When you are considering taking turns at fast speeds, faster than usual speeds, practice makes perfect. It will become easy. If you don't get it now, you will get it, but you have to practice. It's as simple as that. And that's it. That is my driving lesson on turning at fast speeds. If you like the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.